Good day, and thank you for joining us in another MYOB Advanced Training video. In this video, we will have a look at actions, inquiries, and reports available from the supplier maintenance form. In one of our previous videos, we have learned how to add a new supplier. On the new supplier form, there are toolbars that include standard and form-specific buttons to give you quick access to a specific form, report, and inquiry. In your MYOB Advanced system, navigate to Payables, Profiles, and click on Suppliers. Choose your supplier that you would like to view. On the Form Toolbar, you have three buttons: Actions, Inquiries, and Reports. On the Actions drop-down button, you have the following options. View Customer. This opens the customer's form so that you can view the customer account of the supplier if the supplier is a customer too. View Business Account. This opens the Business Accounts form from which you can view the details of the supplier account. Enter Bill. This will navigate to the Bills and Adjustments form so you can define a new bill for the supplier. Create Cheque. This will navigate to the Cheque and Payments form so you can define a new cheque for the supplier. Extend to Customer. This opens the customer's form with appropriate elements filled in, so you can also define the supplier as a customer. View Restriction Groups. This will navigate to the Restriction Groups by Supplier form. Change ID. This brings up the Specify New ID dialog box so that you can change the ID of the current selected supplier. If we look at Inquiries, you will have the following options. Supplier Details. This will navigate you to the Supplier's Details form where you can view detailed information on the supplier balance. Approve Bills for Payment. This navigates to the Approve Bills for Payments form. Pay Bills. This will navigate you to the Prepare Payments form. Supplier Price. This navigates to the Supplier Prices form where you can view or edit prices for the selected supplier. And lastly, we will look at reports. You will have the following reports available: AP Balance by Supplier, Supplier History, AP Aged Past Due, AP Aged Outstanding, AP Register, and Supplier Profile. This concludes our training video on actions, inquiries, and reports available from the supplier maintenance form. Please let us know with your feedback, and please join us again for more as we explore MYOB Advanced through our training videos. Thank you for watching.